ShowingTime is one of your Bay East benefits that allows you to organize your showings. Did you know you can now choose a maximum number of overlapping appointments showings on your listings? This setting allows you to let anywhere from 2 to 10 appointments take place at the same time. It can be set at the office level, agent level, or profile level. Go to your listing in your ShowingTime dashboard and select Yes, Allow Scheduling Overlaps, then choose the max number of scheduling overlaps. Once you click Save, you can now allow multiple parties to come into your listing. Once the maximum number of overlapping appointments have been scheduled for a time slot, that time will show as a blocked or unavailable time on the scheduling calendar. If you have any questions, you can contact the tech support line at 925-730-7100. Thank you.